Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today also in this class we will continue with the factorization chapter and we will solve today the sums of exercise 16, some critical sums of exercise 16. So please focus in today's class. So exercise 16 we have solved up till sum number 12, but today we will solve from sum number 13. So in sum number 13 it is given that a cube plus 5a square plus 3a plus 15. This is given in sum number 13. So in that case, these are typical sums where you have to understand how to solve the sum. In this type of sum, generally what you have to do is you have to first consider the first two expressions, that is a cube plus 5a square, and then you have to consider the second two expressions, the last two expressions. So in case of the first two expression, you can see there is a cube plus 5a square. So you have to take common among these two expressions. A square being the minimum will be the common, and the leftover will be from here, it is from the first term it is a, and from the second term it is 5. So give the bracket. So in this way we will take common from the first two expression, as you can see. Now in the last two expression also we will take common. What we will take common among 3a plus 15? See, we can see that 3 into a and 15 means 3 into 5. So 3 is the common factor. We will take 3 common and then keep a plus 5, because 3 5s are 15. So a plus 5 inside the bracket. So as you can see, we have got a plus 5 as a common factor in case of both the expression. This is what I wanted to tell you, that a plus 5 is the common factor that we are getting over here. Now, so because we are getting a plus 5, so a plus 5 is the common factor in these two expressions. So we will take a plus 5 as the common factor, and the remaining expressions in the remaining factors in these two expressions is, first is a square. So we will take a square plus 3 is remaining over in the second expression. So a square plus 3. So this is the answer of the sum, a plus 5 and a square plus 3. Now we will do the next sum, that is sum number 14. In sum number 14 it is given, very easy sum. In sum number 14 it is given that a square in bracket c square plus d square, a square in bracket c square plus d square, and again then it is given b square c square plus d square inside the bracket. In this way this sum is given. What you have to do, you can see the common factor c square plus d square is present in both the expression. This is a common factor because this is present in both the expression. As we have explained, as I have explained you earlier, that in case of factorization we need to see the common factor. We need to find out the common factor and then keep it aside. So common factor is c square plus d square, that we will take first and keep it, and remaining is a square plus b square, that we will keep in another bracket. This is the remaining factor, this is the common factor, and the sum ends over here. Very simple sums, just you need to follow some methods, some guidelines, and you need to relate how common factor can be taken out from the sums. Now sum number 15. In sum number 15 it is given that xyz minus xy, xyz minus xy minus z plus 1 minus z plus 1. What you will do, you can see in these two expressions xy is common, xy is present in both. So xy you will take common, remaining will be z minus 1. And in the last two expression nothing is common as such, so you will take minus 1 as a common. Now the question arises, why I am taking minus 1 as common? Because nothing is a common factor, that's why I am taking minus 1 as a common, and the remaining factors are z minus 1. Why z minus 1? Because minus 1 has been taken out. This minus 1 and this minus 1, if you multiply, you are going to get plus 1. That's why minus 1 has been taken as a common factor and kept outside the bracket. And always keep in mind that you will get one common factor in these two expressions. So that's why z minus 1 is only possible, because z minus 1 is another factor which is present in the first expression. So second expression must have a common factor, which is z minus 1. That's why z minus 1 has been taken out as a common factor, so that inside the bracket we can keep a parity with these two factors and keep minus 1 over there. So what is a common factor that we will take out? Z minus 1 being a common factor has been kept aside, and then remaining is xy minus 1. Thus the sum ends over here. I hope you are getting the sums well. Now very quickly we will do sum number 16. I am rubbing sum number 15 in order to solve sum number 16. Sum number 16, it is given that x square minus y square. This is sum number 16. X square minus y square plus x minus y plus x minus y. So what you are getting? Always I have told you to see the first two expression and the last two expressions. In this case, the first two expression is x square minus y square. As you can see, x square minus y square. I write over here x square minus y square plus x minus y. This is given. So if you break x square minus y square, what you will get? Definitely you are going to get x plus y into x minus y based on the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That formula you will try to relate here. And so x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. And then you will keep the other term, other expression, that is x minus y. So here you can see which is the common factor between these two, x minus y. Definitely x minus y is present in both the expressions, so it is common factor. And what is remaining? Here though x plus y is remaining and here no other factor is remaining. That means there is a presence of 1 into 1. X minus y means x minus y into 1. So here left over is x plus y and here 1 is left. So 1, x plus y plus 1. Nothing is left means it is multiplied by 1. That you have to assume. So this is the answer, x minus y into x plus y plus 1. So in this way we have solved 4 important sums from the exercise. I hope whatever I have explained in today's class you have understood well. In my next class I will show you some more sums based on exercise 16 of this factorization chapter. So till then, practice the sums well, do the homework and follow the online classes. If you see any description box, don't forget to click the link to get the PDF of the solved sums. So till then, practice the sums. Goodbye.